And what have we got? Whoa, whoops. Nice big. Release the bail. There he is. Caught him in the weeds. He's a nice one, eh? Oh, look at the colors. Whoa, buddy. Don't get yourself wet. I don't want to get stuck either. Look at that. Look at the beautiful colors on him. I'm using just a... See what I'm using? A little gulp minnow jig. Throw you back. He jumped. You guys can see this, but directly down there, you see it swimming. Something has a fish in its mouth and it's swimming. I'm not sure what it is. I can't see. It could be one of those wild minks or... It's got a fish in its mouth and it's swimming. Heading towards that tree there. Right over there, right down there. I don't know if you can see something moving. Is it a turtle that's got something? Snapped a fish up, whatever it was. And it's swimming away with it. Got another friend here. Way on the jig. Ooh, he was barely hooked. Barely hooked. Yeah, I did go back to a bit of a worm. Night crawler. There's just so many minnows down there. You're not offering them anything different. And that's the trick. Get rid of some of this stuff. They're on the bottom. That I know for sure. Okay, get out of the weeds. They're not big, but they're fun. Oh, messy, messy, messy. There's another one. Not a very big guy. Is that a perch? It is. Just a little guy. Back he goes. I'm doing that. The shaking here on this, getting the vibrations for the trucks going by here. The whole ground shook. I get a hit on the line and I miss it. Or did I? No, I didn't. He's there. He's there. There he is. Little perch. That whole ground shook as it went by. Hey, you're a wiggly little guy. The whole ground shook. Oh, well, that's some fish. Right about there. Does nicely. Did we get him? We didn't pull the damn thing off. But we got him. We got him. Oh! That one counts. We saw it. Nice one, too. Yeah, there's somebody there. Got him. Got him. There he is. Here. Got another one. It's another perch. Perch always kind of tap, tap, tap at it before they take it. Okay. Can't just grab hold of it. Yeah. Uh-uh. There we go. Got enough weed here. Nice looking gill. Covered in weed. Here's a nice looking one. Nice blue color. Alright, put your... Let's release the bail and get the hook out. Okay. We'll put you back. Come on, out of there. There we go. I think that's what buddy next door to me is fishing for, his perch. He's throwing the bluegill back, but he's keeping the perch. They're good to eat, but I've never eaten. Well, I did years ago eat perch, but I'm not a huge fan of freshwater fish, especially not what comes out of these canals. Does anybody know what they've been pumping into them for the last, 80 years? A lot of pesticides. So I decided that once the battery wore out on my glasses, that would be it. Didn't really intend on staying as long as I did. But it was fun. A lot of little perch. I mean, not like yesterday where there's 2 smallmouth bass, but hey, you know what? Fishing's fishing, and I love it. No matter if it's big, small, whatever. As long as I enjoy it, That's the main thing. So anyway, once again, I'd like to thank you and for coming along on my journey. And don't forget, there will be some shout outs again at the end of the channel. Don't forget to take a look at them, check them out, give them a helping hand. And this will be a little last fishing for a little while because I got to go back to work tomorrow on my long rotation, so it's going to be at least another week before I get out. So sometime next week maybe we'll get a video out, maybe we won't, we don't know. I've got a lot of things to do besides fishing, and I've been very remiss about getting things done. Oh, and yes, and I do have a cat at home that's waiting to be fed. I really do. So that's where I'm going to go now. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the shout outs at the end of the channel. This is Sharon for Just Fishing. Tight lines.